Let's dive into the fascinating world of lasers and how they work. Imagine a ray of light, like a beam of sunlight. Now, let's make it super focused and powerful. That's what a laser is. Lasers are a type of light that is focused into a narrow beam. They're created by exciting atoms or molecules and then guiding the light through a series of mirrors or prisms. The most common type of laser is the solid-state laser, which uses a crystal or glass as its active medium. The laser light is created when electrons in the crystal are excited by an electrical current or flash of light. The excited electrons then release their energy as light, and this light is amplified and guided through the laser cavity. Another type of laser is the gas laser, which uses a gas as its active medium. In this case, the electrons are excited by a high-voltage electrical discharge. The excited electrons then release their energy as light, which is amplified and guided through the laser cavity. Now, let's talk about the unique properties of lasers. They're incredibly powerful and can be focused into a tiny beam, making them ideal for a wide range of applications, from medical procedures to industrial cutting. Lasers also have a unique property called coherence, which means that all the light waves are in phase with each other, making them extremely useful for precision measurements and communications. Lasers are also used in a variety of industries, from manufacturing to entertainment. They're used in everything from cutting materials to creating holograms. So, there you have it. A brief introduction to how lasers work and their fascinating properties. I hope this has been enlightening and that you've gained a new appreciation for this amazing technology. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting and informative content. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.